Hello and welcome to Bugzy. Let's quickly walk through setting up your first project. First, click on Create Project. Then, give your project a clear and unique name. Now, enter your website's URL, whether it's live or local. Just make sure it's accessible. Then hit Next. Bugzy will check if the site is reachable right away. Now comes the important part. You'll receive a unique JavaScript snippet for this project. Copy and paste it just before the closing body tag on every page, or in your main layout file. Once done, click Create to finish setting up your project. Next, we need to verify that the snippet is in place. Click Verify and Activate. If the snippet is correctly added, your Bugzy widget will go live. You can also invite teammates now or later. And don't forget to review your project settings to manage features and API access. That's it. Your project is ready to roll with Bugzy.